Hello friends, we are here at TechBars and today we have the new Realme 2 with us. We are going to do a quick unboxing of this device, and at the last I'm going to share some camera samples of this phone so you can check it out. So let's get started. We get a transparent silicone case with this device in the box. The phone is loaded with features: a notched display with 19:9 aspect ratio, Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen, fingerprint sensor, face recognition, separate slot for external memory, name a feature, and the phone has it. Now there is the device itself. It has a very nice panel on the design, and Realme is famous for the back panel design, as you know. Let's check out the accessories first. This is a USB charger adapter. It doesn't have anything like fast charging or something like that, but over 4000 mAh battery is just enough for your daily needs. A 1.5 meter USB cable. You can see a very nice glass finish on the back panel of the phone. It's totally glass. Fingerprint sensor at the back. Dual camera setup with an LED flash as well. The cover fits very nicely on the phone. Let's power it up and check the latest color OS in this device. It takes a little bit of time, so I'm gonna fast forward the video. It just has a normal Android setup. We can skip it. There we have the color OS. I have the 32GB model here. There are a lot of customizable options in the color OS. You can change a lot of settings in this because it's not pure Android. Now let's check the camera of this phone. After that, I will click some pictures using the camera, and then I will upload camera samples at the end of the video. You can check them out.